Hey there, and a warm welcome to Speak Real English. I hope you're feeling great today. In this lesson, we're going to explore something many English learners are curious about: how to build genuine friendships with Americans. Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to become friends with American people, whether you're in the United States or meeting them somewhere else in the world? Many learners are eager to connect with native English speakers, especially those who speak American English, because they want to dive deeper into the language and the culture that comes with it. The idea of making new friends in a different culture can feel overwhelming, but it's absolutely possible, and today we're going to talk about how to make it happen. Now let's start with the big question: how exactly do you make friends with Americans? And is it actually hard to do? Well, the truth is, it all comes down to how you approach it mentally and emotionally. If you're someone who tends to be shy or hesitant or feels anxious about starting conversations, it can feel challenging at first. But this doesn't mean it's impossible. It simply means you need to shift your thinking and start showing up with a more open attitude. Making friends with Americans isn't just about speaking the language. It's also about building your confidence and practicing small, consistent efforts to connect. If you start by telling yourself positive things like, "I enjoy talking to new people," or "I have a lot of interesting things to share," you'll feel more relaxed and confident. These thoughts can help create a warm and inviting energy, which makes people want to talk to you. Cultural differences can sometimes make things feel tricky, but don't let that stop you. Think about it like this: instead of worrying about what's different, focus on what you might have in common. American friendships often grow from shared experiences and repeated interactions. That's why it's helpful to place yourself in spaces where you're likely to see the same people regularly. If you're working, that could be your office or workplace. If you're studying, then you're lucky, because schools and universities are some of the easiest places to meet new people. But what if you're not working or studying in a traditional classroom with English speakers? Where else can you meet Americans? Well, the answer is to participate in regular group activities. Join a class, a team, or an organization that meets on a regular basis. It could be a fitness group, a dance class, a language exchange, a community center, or even a religious or spiritual gathering. The key is repetition. You want to see the same faces over time. That's what gives you the chance to build rapport. If you live in an English-speaking country, this strategy is very effective. But what if you don't? That's when the internet becomes your best friend. Thanks to technology, it's easier than ever to connect with people all over the world. Use social media platforms, language exchange communities, or video call apps to meet people who want to practice languages just like you do. This way, you can talk regularly and create real relationships even from a distance. The main idea here is consistency. Friendships take time to grow. You can't expect to become close after one chat or one video call. You need to keep showing up, building trust, and learning about the other person slowly over time. That's how meaningful friendships are formed. Another important thing is to take initiative. Don't wait for others to approach you. Be the one to say hello. Introduce yourself. Talk about what excites you. You could say something simple like, "Hi, my name is Maria. I really enjoy learning languages and meeting new people." Or maybe, "I love music and traveling. How about you?" Find common ground. If someone mentions something you also like, jump in and say, "Oh, I enjoy that too." It's these small moments of connection that open the door to real friendship. Let me share a story that illustrates this idea. A friend of mine, an American woman, recently moved to China. She's been living there for several months and really wants to make new friends, especially local friends. But so far, people haven't approached her. She feels a little lonely. The interesting thing is, she's actually very friendly and open. It's just that the people around her might be shy or unsure if she wants to talk. That's the thing. We often think others don't want to be bothered, but in reality, many people would love to connect, they just don't know how to start. That's why it's helpful when someone else takes the first step. So what should you do? Take the lead. Be brave. Walk up to someone and say hello. Ask about their interests. Mention a topic you both enjoy. You're not just helping yourself, you're helping others too. When you step forward and offer kindness and curiosity, you create a bridge between two people. Even something as simple as a smile and a greeting can lead to a lasting connection. Think about how good it feels when someone includes you. You can be that person for someone else. It's okay if you make mistakes. It's okay if a conversation feels awkward. Just keep trying. Every time you practice, you're getting better at speaking, listening, and understanding the culture. And every time you try, you're getting closer to building real, lasting friendships. This is not about being perfect. It's about being real. Be interested. Be kind. Be yourself. That's what people remember, and that's what helps friendships grow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing your English, keep putting yourself out there, and keep looking for ways to connect. You never know where your next friendship might begin. If you'd like to keep learning with me, be sure to visit the Mr. English Teacher channel for more lessons, tips, and insights. You can also check out the Speak Real English Premium course and grab your free ebook to help you speak more fluently and naturally. Let's keep learning and growing together. Take care, and see you again soon.